So this is the IRF 540 MOSFET, which consists of 3 pins: gate, drain and source. Insert it here. And the rectifier, this is the rectifier, which is of positive and negative. These two are the AC inputs. So insert it in the AC input side. So this is the positive output. This is the negative output. So from the positive output of the rectifier, to the center pin of the MOSFET, and this is our negative output. So the middle terminal of the variable pot resistor to the first pin of the MOSFET, and the last pin to the middle one. And for the output, connect here the last pin of the MOSFET for the output. Here is the positive and the negative output. Connect a capacitor across the rectifier so that we'll get a filtered output. Here is the positive and the negative. So these two are the output pin, positive and negative one. So as we vary the resistance, the output voltage also gets varied. So just let me show you out. Just insert this one in between. So this is the positive output. So when the resistance is at maximum, the output voltage is of 12 volts. You can just volts. As I vary the resistance, it's getting decreased. The voltage gets decreased. As I increase the resistance, the voltage gets increased. So let me just briefly once again explain you. The transformer steps down the voltage from 240 to 12 volts, and this rectifier here will convert this AC to DC, and this capacitor here will filter that pulsating DC to pure DC, and then this regulator controls the pulse signal for this MOSFET, and this MOSFET acts as a regulator and gives the regulated output. As we vary this resistance part, we'll get the regulated DC output.